What up everyone, and welcome to tutorial number 19. And in this tutorial we're going to learn how to put a button and also create a form and submit that form or simulate that we're submitting that form. So let's actually get started. So first thing, I'm actually going to create a form, and to create a form you just need a form tag, and you open it and close it. And inside of that form, I'm going to put the input text that I created last time. And I'm also going to create a button. And in this button, I'm going to create a type that is called submit. And what this do, it actually tells my HTML file, or it tells my form that there's a submission, and whenever I submit, an action should get performed, and this action will actually define it right here, and we'll write action and then equal to something, but we're not going to define the action right now. So I'm going to write here, I'm going to call this button submit, and then I'm going to close this button. So right now I have a button, and the type of it is submit, and I have an input text field that with a type of text. So if I actually save it and go here and press submit, nothing will actually happen. But if I create a new project, or not a new project, just a new HTML file, and then I'll just write HTML. I'll do a basic HTML file, and then I'm going to write a paragraph that says this input has been submitted. And I'm going to save this as, I'm going to call it, let's say, submit.html. So the second I save it, it's going to get colored because understand this HTML file. So in here, in my action part, I'm going to write submit.html. And what this does, whenever my form gets submitted using this button, which is a type of submit, this form will understand that there's a submission, and will say, oh, I need to do an action, and my action is going to this page. Later on, when we actually use JavaScript and PHP and we actually learn how to script, we can actually do another function of saving this email or checking this email from the database if it's correct or no, and we'll go more in details later on, but this is just HTML and CSS, so we're not gonna go in anything complicated. So let's actually test what we actually did. So if I refresh this and now I press submit, it takes me to this HTML file that I created. So that's it for this tutorial. Actually, it's a basic form, and I hope you guys understand the logic behind it. It's just a button and a text file, and actually we don't even need this, but I just have it for the heck of it. And this button submits, and this submission makes this action, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys learned something new today. And let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. And have a great day, guys.